This water heater was going out or failing to ignite with a error code 65 displayed. I took the lid off and looked at the igniter. That thing's pretty corroded, so I'm going to try and clean it up and see if that's going to solve our problem. Alright, so it's nice and shiny now. Let's see if it works. Well, nothing so far. It's made one attempt. I can hear the coils firing. I mean, it's like a little piezoelectric or weird. I don't know.
Yeah, then he told me that on...
Seems like it's getting spark, but we're not igniting yet. I don't know. I'm ready to give up. Moving right along to project number 2 today. A broken impeller on our brand new vacuum. Yeah, I don't know what happened, man, but that thing kind of exploded. So as soon as backup arrives here and I've got some shift coverage, I can go swing out to the local vacuum supply place and pick up a new one. It's been many hours, but new part is going in. Perfect. Little spacer on top. Get that going in there. And uh-oh, going the wrong way. Done. Belt. Yeah, need 2 hands for that. Anyways, belt, top cover going back on. We are done here. Well, let's bump start it and see if this thing's turning the right way. Come on. Yep, we're good.